Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by FII DII. And 2 days can change everything in stock market. I said this week Nifty will be trading between 17,000 and 17,500, and that's because I thought there was no trigger for the market to break out or to break down. But however, I said if 17,450, 17,480 is crossed, decisively the market will break out. And also yesterday, once the market has broken out, and I also said now from now it is going to be 17,500 to 18,000. And see, today Nifty did not go below 17,500. But then why there is so much of big news? There were two news. One, yesterday the Vodafone Idea and telecom package, AGR dues, 4 years moratorium, and many other things. And today the Vodafone Idea shot up 25%. And not only Vodafone Idea, that was very beneficial to Bharti Airtel as well as Reliance also. So telecom package was the trigger number one yesterday. And then market shot up. And again yesterday evening and today morning I said, now the news has come, news has been factored in, and markets are likely to consolidate. But what happened? Today another news has come. This is about bad bank. In fact, sometimes in the month of July, National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited has been registered in Mumbai as per the Registry of Corporate Affairs, Registry of Companies. So it was registered sometime in the month of July. From there, there has been a talk that something is going to happen about this bad bank. But today, the news came, the bad bank announcement is going to be there today. Finance Minister speaking at 5 p.m. And you may remember 2-3 years before, once Nirmala Sitharaman spoke, Bank Nifty shot up. And today, the same thing. So, Bank Nifty was up nearly 900 points from intraday low. It's up more than 800 points. And just in a matter of 2 days, Bank Nifty has crossed all-time high. In fact, since February, Mr. Sundar has got one very good point to talk every day. And see, the market is hitting all-time high every time, but the Bank Nifty is not even crossing the February high of 37,700. This is the story I've been telling for the last 6 months, but from today I cannot tell that story because the Bank Nifty has broken out and it has crossed February high, and today it's a fresh all-time high. And today, since morning, the markets were very firm because of these PSU banks, but suddenly sometime in the afternoon, Reliance started moving higher by about 40-50 rupees. So that has also contributed to the Nifty breakout. And honestly telling you, I did not expect Nifty to close above 15,600 today, but it went almost to 15,650 intraday. The PSU Bank index is up by 5.43%, and State Bank of India is up nearly 15% in the last 2 weeks and last 3 weeks. So State Bank of India has higher weightage in Bank Nifty. So today all PSU banks, because of this bad bank and because of this telecom news, stocks like IndusInd Bank, they all have done very well. So finally, big question comes. The long-term sleeping giant, even ITC has shot up 8%. So it looks like as if everything has shot up already, but I do not know how much more markets can go. But again, I repeat, so I am expecting consolidation for the next few days. But that's the same thing only I told you day before yesterday also, and yesterday also it failed miserably. But let us see this time. As long as there is no fresh incremental good news, the markets are bound to consolidate. And in fact, the last 3 weeks, Nifty is already up by 900 points. And the Bank Nifty, I think, is nearly more than 2000 points. If it continues to run like this for the next few days, that's a very, very danger sign. As and when market reverses, everybody will want to exit at the same time and making a bigger correction. It's always good markets correct, healthy corrections in between. But what is more significant today? Two things. One, in a rising market, India VIX is up by 5%. There were few stock options I am holding. So, one of the stock options, the stock closed exactly same as yesterday's closing, but I still am having about 60 to 70,000 loss. I am having both call options and put options. Both call premiums and put premiums short up. Look at the Nifty. Nifty is up more than 100 points, but all the options below 17,000, they all were higher. And I am holding 17,000 put option and 18,000 call option. But 17,000 put option fell only by 1 rupee, 2 rupee, but 18,000 call option shot up by 16 rupees. So, today the bigger issue is the VIX. Now, you may remember last time I told you, if the market, in a rising market, if the VIX shoots up, and uniformly the markets will correct a little bit at least it will consolidate or may fall a bit. It cannot continue to rise like this. That is one side of the story. The other side of the story I told you, as and when Nifty future is trading at discount and uniformly market goes higher in the next few weeks. But today, first time I got a confused signal. On one side, Nifty future is at discount. On the other side, in a rising market, VIX is higher. So, one signal giving market is likely to come down a little bit or consolidate. The other one shows the markets is likely to move higher. So, who knows, both can happen. Markets may consolidate for a few days or may come down a little bit, then it can rally. So this is the main thing. But looking at the open interest, the monthly option 17,000 put option, you can close your eyes and you can write. And I have been writing since it was trading around 120 rupees. So every day it keeps falling. Even if market reverses, it is not likely to fall below 17,000. So let us see, yesterday one action, today another action. So if tomorrow also there is an action, then option sellers will lose heavily. And today, despite I am taking some long positions, doing so well, I made about 4 lakh rupees profit in State Bank of India futures. And despite doing this, my overall MTM was in loss today. And this is the first time I had a MTM loss in a rising market. That's because the VIX has shot up so much. So anyway, the rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow morning. Right now, US futures are almost flat, and European markets are also flat with some positive bias. And the SGX Nifty is almost trading about 10-20 point lower only. So, but anyway, SGX Nifty is not a good indication. So, the bad bank where the finance minister announced that 30,600 crores the central government will guarantee the loan. And all the bad loans will be transferred to this bad bank, and the banks will be getting 15% in cash, the remaining through securities. So all these things, how much it has been factored in already and how much it is going to be factored in tomorrow. So we will see the full impact tomorrow, right? So until then, so enjoy your evening. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.